However, gusty winds and small hail are still possible with this thunderstorm. Please report previous wind damage or hail to the National Weather Service by going to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submitting your report via social media. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the Miami Valley of Ohio. Tonight, partly cloudy early this evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Showers and thunderstorms likely this evening, then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the upper 60s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Tuesday, mostly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then partly cloudy in the afternoon. Humid with highs in the upper 80s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Tuesday night, mostly clear in the evening, then partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Wayne County, northeastern Fayette County, Indiana, until 9:30 p.m. At 9 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Dublin, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Richmond, Connersville, Centerville, Cambridge City, Hagerstown, Dublin, Waterloo, Milton, East Germantown, Mount Auburn, Metalfield, Jacksonburg, Interstate 70 at exit 145, and Vincennes. This includes I-70 in Indiana between mile markers 134 and 145. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.